Hello, grade fives. Today we will be learning about human organ systems and specifically the circulatory system. Now, a brief aside just for my teachers, the Ontario curriculum expectations are referenced here, as well as materials used. Now, this one references two different YouTube videos, and I've made it a little bit my own, but I will describe that in the materials and how-tos. Back into teacher mode. So, learning objectives. Today we are going to investigate the structure and function of the circulatory system, how it supports other vital organs, and the impact of exercise on our heart health. We want to keep these buzzwords in mind. So the circulatory system, circulation, valves, blood vessels, ventricles, atrium or atria, and organs. Now, here's some food for thought that I want you to keep in mind while we do the experiment. Does your heart beat at the same pace when we sleep, sit, and run? What can you do to make sure your heart is healthy? And lastly, can you control your heart muscle like you do with other muscles?
Your heart is really a muscle. It's located in the middle of your chest and it's about the size of your fist. Your heart is sort of like a pump or two pumps in one. The right side of your heart receives blood from the body and it pumps it to the lungs. The left side of the heart does the exact opposite. So it receives blood from the lungs and it pumps it out to the body. Now, how does a heart beat? Good, yeah, it tightens. Good. So it's a muscle. So your heart fills with blood and then its muscle contracts to squirt the blood along. When I press against these parts of the experiment, I'm acting as the muscle contractions that the heart makes to push the blood along. And when do you think your heart makes these contractions? All the time. Yes, day and night. If your heart is healthy, it never stops. Now, how many areas do you think the heart has by looking at the experiment? Good, four chambers. So two chambers on the top called atria, and they fill with blood returning to the heart from the body and lungs. This container up here represents the blood coming into the atria from the body, and this one is the blood going to the body. The two chambers on the bottom are called ventricles. So if the atria bring in the blood from the body, what do you think the ventricles do? Yes, the opposite, exactly. Their job is to squirt out the blood to the body and the lungs. So when the blood gets pumped, how does it know which way to go? Yeah, well, your blood relies on four special valves in the heart, and a valve lets something in and keeps it there by closing. So they let blood flow from the atria to the ventricles and are also in charge of controlling the flow as the blood leaves the heart. These valves all work to keep the blood flowing forward. They open up to let the blood move ahead and then they quickly close to keep it from flowing backward. So when we inhale, oxygen is absorbed by the lungs and it enters the left side of your heart. The heart sends the oxygen-rich blood out to the body, and the body takes the oxygen out of the blood and uses it in your body's cells. So when the cells use the oxygen, they do make waste like carbon dioxide, and it gets carried away by the blood back to the right side of the heart and out the lungs. So how does the blood get around your body? Yeah, circulation and in tubes. Good. So these tubes are called arteries and veins, and they're attached to the heart. And when it leaves the heart, it gets taken on a journey through the arteries, and when it's all used up, the oxygen, the blood comes back to the heart through the veins. So exercise. Why is exercise important for the heart and circulatory system? Well, the heart needs to pump blood to maintain oxygen and nutrients to the brain and other vital organs. And so since your heart is a muscle, the more you work it, the bigger and stronger it gets. So what exercise do you think will make the heart work harder and pump faster so that blood gets around your body? Yeah, hopscotch, that's great. Skipping rope, yes. Playgrounds, awesome. What about sitting on the couch and watching TV? No, why? Because you're sitting, you're resting? Good, yeah, so your heart doesn't have to beat so hard when you're sitting and relaxing, right? Yeah, okay, awesome. What other? Yeah, basketball. That's great. Good job, you guys.